Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So we are at Krystal's house today and she had lost a bet, so she is doing this recipe today, and we are calling this Drumstick Dream because we have some drumstick cereal here.
Courtesy of my sister Kimmy. Thanks, Kimmy.
Yep, thank you. So what should we do first?
You sprayed the casserole
I
dish
did, I sprayed that.
away from my nose. Thank you very much. All right, you're gonna take that cereal and a nice generous layer on the bottom.
All right. You have a nice layer of cereal.
Now you're gonna take those bananas and layer them on.
We have 2 large bananas that we cut up into chunks, and we'll make a nice layer.
Okay, now a little more cereal.
A little more cereal. Alright.
Okay, now I know this isn't the healthiest, but we have a bowl of melted butter, okay?
Melted butter. Yeah, that should help hold our dessert casserole.
Yep.
I guess you could call it together. We have a cup of butter, so 2 sticks, and we'll pour that on. All right.
Now I know this is really unhealthy, but I couldn't help it because Hershey's chocolate bars are my weakness. So we have 2 melted chocolate Hershey bars.
Yep, and this was milk chocolate, right? And we're going to drizzle that on.
The only kind that I say is worth the calories. Thank you very much.
I like pretty much any chocolate.
Really?
I mean, not like super bitter, but I'll do somewhat dark.
Yeah, not me.
And I even like white chocolate.
Oh yeah, you know, I do the Hershey's white chocolate with the Oreos. Okay,
Yeah.
that is so my weakness right there.
Yeah. You had that one chocolate bar that we were eating before, remember? That your sister got you?
Yes.
That was like Oreos, and it was really good.
Oreos and milk chocolate. I still don't know where she got that, and oh my god, if I could find it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so our chocolate is on. This is looking really yummy. What's next?
Next, you are going to use that whole jar of peanut butter.
All right, we have some Jif extra crunchy peanut butter.
You're going to use that whole jar, thank you. Sorry, Birgit, I know you're trying to diet this week, but
This is Birgit's weakness.
Oh, yeah.
sorry, hon, I know you're trying to diet this week, but
This is the everybody's weakness recipe.
yes.
Once again, this might have been a little easier melted, but it's going okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got the peanut butter on and it's looking good. And our final ingredient is going to be a nice generous layer of honey. And that's a lot.
Oh, that smells so good.
All right.
Now we're going to pop that off into the oven for 35 minutes. And we have the oven preheated at 400. So we'll see when it's done.
Alright, so it is done. Here is a piece that I've cut out. We've decided a little less peanut butter if you don't want it so wet, because it kind of melts and then it gets really liquidy. But other than that, it is looking pretty good. Or maybe drizzle some more melted chocolate on top. That would be good.
Yeah. I only had 2 bars, so.
Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.